In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can change your Epic Games name here on Fortnite on your PS5 quick and easy. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If you would just help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this, we'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. There's actually two different names that you need to understand. There's going to be your Epic Games display name, and then there's your PlayStation Online ID. On PS5, Fortnite usually does show your PlayStation Online ID above your character, but let's start with changing your Epic Games name. To do this, you need to open up either a web browser on a PC or a web browser on a mobile device. But essentially, go ahead and open up a web browser and search for epicgames.com. Hit enter. It's going to take you to a page that looks like this. Go ahead and select your name up in the very top and then scroll down to account. Select that. And then once you go ahead and do that, you're going to see a settings tab on this left-hand sidebar. Select that, and you're going to see your display name. Hit this little pencil icon right here, and this is where you can update your display name. Just make sure you take this box and enter in a name that hasn't already been used. For example, I could just add a 1 onto the very end of mine, just like so. Now, if you actually want to change the name appears on your, PS5 above your character, that's going to be your PlayStation Online ID. To do this, you have to go to your home screen and then into settings, users and accounts. And from here, go to account and then profile and select online ID. And you may need to verify your account using your phone or the PlayStation app. But from here, you'll be able to change your online ID or choose from any of the suggested ones. After confirming the change, close and relaunch Fortnite and your new PlayStation name will show up in the game. Just remember, Epic display name and PlayStation Online ID are two different things, and which one shows depends on the platform you're playing on. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If it really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this, we'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.